Hello everyone. Some of you at the end of the class today asked me that what is it that I expect from you by Sunday at midnight is that I want you to get your concept like I have done here, have the original estimate of its complexity, the story points that you decided on today, and have a description according to the template I have given you. So in your project definition document there are some examples. How to write this definition is based on some research that you do. You're going to spend at least an hour on your concept, learn a little bit about it, and kind of try to identify why would we learn this concept as an agile practitioner. How could it be helpful? So after you learn that, you're going to formulate what we call a learning story here. Depending on the tool you use, it could go in the description, it could go to another section of your card. And then what I want from you is a list of 3 or 4 learning activities. That is what you have explored, and then you would share with your classmates in the group as a reading, as a video to watch, as an exercise to do. So you want to do that. So for me, I have the article. It's a very short article. I have a very short video. I have a longer book chapter or book section, and then if my scrolling down is helpful, I can show you that I have the lab 7. So complete lab 7 in class. So you want to make sure that you show up for class when we do lab 7. So I added this in Meister task as a checklist. I have a tag, a core concept. I can assign this to some of you that are in Meister task. So I think Lauren, I think I can add you to my project and then add you. You're not on my project, so I think we have 6 of you on Meister task. I have to add you to my project, so I can assign this to you. So this is going to be a card, and this is my card, and you're going to have your own card. Keep in mind that they have the 3 columns, so keep it simple. Just keep the 3 columns. When you come back on Monday, we're going to talk about definition of done. How would you know that your team members have learned? Do you want to have a set of questions for them or design a quiz online? We're going to talk about that. I'll give you a few choices, so you would define definition of done. By Monday, you would have your card up in the first column, which could be your to-do column, as we call it in class, and doing and done. So we can change the column names. You would be able to do that in your tool as well. Also, because your groups are 4, 5, or 6, you would have 4, 5, or 6 of these cards ready by Sunday at midnight. We're going to come back together on Monday and discuss them, and then when you identify complexity, then your teammates will know how much time they need to spend on your concept versus some other concepts that other teammates have worked on. You can use tags depending on the tool. Some of the tools allow you to have sizes as a separate feature here. So depending on the tool, you can do things differently, but this is how I've done it. This is what I expect from you by Sunday at midnight. And depending on the tool, you may do it in more details, less details, use checklists, use activities. There are different ways of doing that. So just wanted to clarify that in the background.